Hello, and welcome to another live stream of the app I'm building a full stack app in Flutter. I'm building like an AI Saas kit, and I started streaming what I'm doing. And in case you like what I do, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can see it right there on the bottom of the screen. So I'm gonna show you where we are from the last time. So last time we successfully wrote a service that will that wraps our file uploader. So the module we are building is the chat with PDF module, and someone can take that and you can simply just stream with it. Okay, so this is where we are. You can fix all this overlay issue um, anytime. But what we're creating is this guy. So last time we were able to can pick a PDF and we sort of put a dummy to show that something has happened. And this time we do the success part, and then we're going to show the PDF, and we're going to split the screen. We're going to show this PDF on the left, and then we're going to have a little chat screen here on the right to chat with the PDF. Okay, so, and then we will go ahead and explore some of the backend we can use. Uh, so let's tweet for anybody that's available. Let's see. Will I be able to cut this and put it? I think I'm live on LinkedIn as well. Maybe I should have switched to Twitch instead. Huh. Well, we will see. So let's look at what our code looks like. Okay, so there's this part that when you click on upload, you see we did let ChatGPT to write it for us. So ChatGPT did a back and forth animation for us. We simply just asked ChatGPT and it did it for us. But the creator of Shade Imports in Flutter mentioned that instead of doing this, we could simply not give that component a value. So I think this is it. So let's take away the value and let's try. Oh, so this is actually neat. So we don't actually have to do anything. Okay. So now we get rid of our back and forth animation and we should be fine. So now the back and forth animation is a waste of time. It comes out of the box if you don't give it a value, which is what we actually want to do. Awesome. And let's go ahead and what do we want? So Last time we had a notifier right here. If you are live, if you can comment, I'm not sure if anyone is hearing me, can hear me. So it would be nice to just type in the comments and I'll see. Okay. So we had the listener here that if the PDFs we successfully took this PDF, maybe we should have called it another name, uploaded, but it is when we've selected the PDF successfully from the user phone or computer or whatever, then we navigate to maybe like a details page, and we then put the PDF on the side and you can see the content of the PDF, right? But yeah, let's modify the notifier, and instead of setting the error here, let's just do set uploaded so that we can ensure that uploaded, right? So let's try. Let's select any PDF. We're showing something went wrong. So let me put a breakpoint there. And then maybe not say. Okay. So there's an error here. Okay. On web, path is unavailable. So there's an error that is thrown. Luckily, we are catching it. So we are setting the errors anyway. And assessing it causes this exception. Issue. Access the device property instead. Ooh la la. Oh wow. I want to copy this guy because I want to access that FAQ. Okay, so let's check what is happening. So path is, you can use path for the web. Ooh. So what am I able to say? Okay. So how do I access path on the web? Hello, Gravit Studio. Good evening. Thank you for joining my stream. So if you go to our implementation of this pic file, oh, we are saying file single path. Let's see. So on the web, we have to, do something different. It's quite Oh, damn. So we can't do it directly like this. We always throw an exception. So we simply uh, read the byte. So we can't get the. So, oh, in Italy it's 9 p.m. Oh, wow. Yeah. In Canada here, I'm located in Edmonton, Canada. It's actually 2:03 here. Like more like 2 o'clock. So nice that you're watching me from Italy. Thank you. In Canada here, it's you can see behind me there's still some light here. So well, that will make us 7 hours difference. So okay, so now unfortunately I can't use these I can't use this method on the web. I need to figure out a way because this app has to. Yeah, Canada is beautiful. Yeah, it is. There's some places that are really beautiful here. Hopefully, I'll be able to visit Italy soon. It's a beautiful country as well. Okay. So, what should we do? We can't use this pick file method here now because we are working with the web. It will work fine on mobile because now there's a path for it. But on the web, we can't use this. So there are two options. Should we create another method just for the web? And then here in our notifier, it contains a business logic anyways. We do, if it is web, we use this method. If it is mobile, use this method. Or we just modify, where is it? Or we just modify this method and do the check right in here. But then we will not be able to return file. We only be able to because from the docs we need to return bytes, right? So um what should we do? Okay. I think it makes sense to separate it for now. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to well for now leave it. We could actually return a record here. And depending on what type, depending on which platform, we could decide what it should return, right? But now I don't want to do that. So for now, let's keep it simple and just say pick web file. I assume it's an isolated thing, right? So it will only happen like that on the web. I don't want to model up the logic here. Now, we need to return two things. Yes, I love Riverpod as well. So that's why I'm using it in this stream. So yeah, you will see me use Riverpod a lot in this stream. For this project actually. And we can see from a notifier here. It's simple stuff for now, but it works. So should I create a record? We can, or we just create a DTO. Will it be a byte? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know for now what it's going to be. So for now, I'm going to make it dynamic. So let me comment this out. Then let's implement actually the method. We will still use this guy. The only thing is now this is where dry comes into place, and they say don't repeat yourself. If I extract this guy to another method, I'll still call the method here and here, and then I'm repeating the method. But sometimes, yeah, the dry is cool, but it's insignificant here because okay. So let's look at the docs. So if result is null, okay, so we just do file is not empty. We return single dot byte. So if the file is not empty, yeah, it will contain the first and then the byte. And yeah, so this is what we need. And also we need the file name as well. Yeah, it's a type data. So is this how to create a record in Dart? Am I sure? um okay, so sorry for the let's see if I can yeah, it just returns a record, right? So we return the name and the bytes with it. How do you do like a typed? Is it a typed record? Oh, I'm streaming on LinkedIn as well. That's interesting. And for some reason, I can't see how many people on LinkedIn, but I think we have like 6 people. So this is the point where I go to the docs. Can't remember. That's records. Okay. So this is how you create your record. And you can create a type. Yeah, I'd like to actually give it a name. So I can say string name and then the PDF data itself. That's the bytes. So here we need to specify the name and then the data, right? Okay. So now we have access to, no, instead of creating a whole class just for these two guys, we just create a record, which works well for us. It's great. So we have a comment here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a record. Yeah, that's correct. So now we make it typed actually. And sometimes I like to go to read the docs to refresh my memory as well. So if we want to, you can just do record dot whatever is here. So instead of creating like a whole DTO, we could just and I don't want to be doing this every time. So yeah, just create a type def there. And it does return this guy. Then we can go back to our notifier here. Wait, I'm thinking. So now how do I use this guy here? I know I can do we can have another method. Yeah, we can say upload web file. And normal. Yeah. So the thing we did there now it has started to cascade. Now we are having multiple methods everywhere. So should we just do it right inside here? Is it possible to get the bytes? So can we get the bytes off of a file? If we have access to the file. So there are a couple of things we need to do. So if we can get the bytes, even if we are using Android or other platform, we can grab the bytes. Let's see. So let's now this depending on the PDF reader that we are going to use. We're going to see this is just for Android and iOS. This produces PDF. Oh, okay. So sync fusion is good. Let's see this PDF. Wait, what does it do? PDF thumbnail. This looks solid. So we give it a path. Uh, let's see the API. How do you say? Change log now. Forgetting how to look at the API or something. I want to see. Okay, let's think about it a bit. So realistically, right, we will independent of the file reader we use, realistically. Oh, thank you. Thanks for stopping by Gravit Studio. Yeah, the video will be on YouTube after, so you can always check it. Thank you for dropping by. Okay, so yeah, so realistically, once we grab the file here, what we are going to do is actually we are going to upload it to a server. We are going to run it through a lang chain or whatever we are going to use. And then it's going to return a file path for us from the server. And it is this file path that we will push to the next screen. And it will load the PDF and the chat bot, right? On both sides. So it doesn't really matter what the file type is. What we should be concerned about is at this point, we are going to upload it to a server. And I assume that the server is going to be taking a byte. So that will make us rethink our method here. So instead of it going to be returning a byte, I think we should just return a PDF record. And then we can do the platform check here. So let's modify this method. Where is it? Pick file. So now let's comment out this guy. And then let's comment out the overriding that we have done because we're going to need it soon. Here, let's return a PDF record, right? And here, we do is web files, right there. And then we will do PDF record. Is web files. So let ChatGPT do the magic. Okay, so what do you want to do? Okay. Single name. So result will always have files. Let's see. Bytes. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Oh, damn it. So it doesn't even really matter if you're on the web or Android anyway. We don't really need the file path. We just need the bytes and the name. So yeah, we are overthinking this guy. So we don't need this method. So we are keeping things simple. Unfortunately, our test is gonna fail because we are expecting a file. So our test is going to fail. Where's the thing to run test? Oh wow, I can't find it. But our test is going to fail. So instead of returning, should return a PDF record when user picks a file. But for now, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to help me write a test for this guy. Can you check my highlighted code and write a test for me? Okay, let's see how it's going to stop the file. Okay. So let's go to our test. Where is it? Wow. Okay. Mock file picker. When file picker the pick files to return mock file picker result. And then we do the result. We can say results. Yeah, we pick file. We can do this before. We should import the type data and we should expect a year. Respect this guy. Let's see. It should pass. Yeah, so it passes. And yeah, this should pass as well because we are returning the exception. You can add more tests to see if the file is empty. You should throw an exception as well. Yeah, so we are good. So what we did is just to stop the byte and the name. So in the name it returns a file.pdf, and then in the byte we just we give it that it should return a list like the bytes really. And then when we call pick file, we expect that the file is returned the name and this guy. So yeah, our test passed. So we are good. And here we can to do is add logic to upload file to the server. Yeah. So we will get to that later when we build the server, right? Yeah. Okay. Uh, awesome. So let's try it again. It should give us that success. Yes, PDF uploaded successfully. So actually we just you know, so I actually want to test this on mobile as well. So let me bring up my mobile. We want to make sure that everything's fine. Why is this guy so big? The mobile is mess. I have to bring up another emulator. Did I do resizable API 2? 32. No, my emulator is a mess. The one I opened previously. Oh, damn it. Okay, this one looks good. Now this one seems to have broken. Can I force quit that guy? Not responding. Yeah, force quitted it. Yeah, I know. Because you are shit. This is guys working. So let's run this on this one. We still have a lot of things to do. I'm still on the I've not even gotten the server yet, but it's a process and you quite enjoy it. So sync function I wanna see. This is to create. This is to create PDF. I want to load. Oh wow. The thing it makes sense because we are going to be using the bytes to actually do pass it to ChatGPT or anything to be able to chat with it. So it's nice. We don't need the file path. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, this guy seems to have a lot of things that I don't want. Okay, so let's try Android. We don't have. I don't have a PDF file. Damn. Can I download the PDF file? Can it give me a sample PDF file? I just want to download a sample. No. Where is it? It didn't show me saved anywhere. Ah, okay, dummy PDF. Oh yeah. Download. Downloaded dummy.pdf. Do I know where it is? No, I don't. Oh, it downloaded. Something is wrong. See? That's why you need to test. Okay. Let's null operator used on a null. Oh, damn it. It will be this guy. Because there's a null aware something there. Oh, that's not it. Let me put more breakpoints. So let's see the detail. There's a file. There's a platform file. The byte is null. Oh, see? The path is null, which is so bad. Oh my god. So we really need the path to get the byte from this path. Damn it. Okay. If it's not web, we need to do some magic here. we need to get bytes from the device file. So apparently we might need to create a file anyways. So this I think is what we need to do. This is what I think we actually need to do. So we might need to write a test, right? So let's see. Ah, it now worked. Bingo. Oh my God. So let's just put another breakpoint. Thank God I didn't assume it's going to work out of the box. See, we now have the byte. Where is it? Hmm. Where's the byte? Yeah. Okay, so this is the byte. Awesome. Amazing. Why is it stuck here? Oh, okay, it works. So that makes me really dumb, actually, because I probably have done dumb buttons in the past. I'm gonna see. So let's go to our repository. Where is that axe PDF? Now, this is the LangChain implementation. There's view notifier. Hmm. Oh, okay. Oh, in this guy, apparently we can only use text. So we can't use PDF directly. So yeah, I wasn't dumb. Maybe not. Okay, good. You. Okay, so let's sort of build the other page. Uh, so let's go to our routes. Here's our routes. So it's in the main. We've not extracted it yet, but we can refactor it. Maybe. So we'll create a go route, but the go route should have like a param. It will go PDF charts. Hmm. So what I think we're going to do is when you upload a file, it returns some ID for you. So when you return some ID, we're gonna take that ID, maybe a GUID or something. You're gonna take that ID and use it to fetch. We're gonna take this ID we then use it to fetch the PDF and some data from that PDF, right? So we are not just going to pass the data from here to the next page. Doesn't make sense. So, so when we upload to the server the PDF, it's going to generate an ID for us, and then we will pass it back to navigate to this place. So this place will take this from, it's gonna take it from here, and because in future, if you have access, you can, if you know the ID, you can just pass in the ID directly and it will chat with that PDF. So every chat will have its own ID, right? Makes sense. Awesome, I think. So, um, but I always forget go routes documentation. I don't know. So every time I have to look at the docs. Damn it. Go router has a builder. That's like strongly typed something. So maybe we should use the builder with it. Go router builder. Because why not? Code generation is cool. You save time. Maybe for a simple project, maybe it's good. For bigger projects, if you're not careful, you'll be having really slow builds. So it has its own pros and cons though. But for me, it's a con all the way. So how do you, let's install. Just I like using from here and copying because it will automatically put it in nice alphabetical order. What? What is this? Are you sure the Google server is not down? The Google Analytics server. It could be. Oh, wait. Why is it in dependency? Oh, yeah, it's in the dependency. So read me. So here we will, instead of doing this guy, we would do chat ID, right? And but we want to do code generation. And then we have, oh my God. And then we have to use type routes. Oh my gosh. Do I really want to go into this guy? The only thing is just that it gives me type routes. It's cool, but I don't think I want to focus on this one right now. Let's just do, for now, I'm going to put it in the back burner. But what I really want is I'm going to, so let's create a new screen. Chat detail screen. dot dot. I am so worse with naming. God, because what the hell is chat detail screen? Okay, so we have that. We're going to be requiring a string, and it's going to be chat ID, and it's going to be required this dot chat ID. So chat detail screen requires a chat ID. So to get the chat ID, we're just going to grab it from the param. Oh. To the path parameters, chat ID. Let's make it null. So in case our chat ID is not empty, we need to add a nice to do here. So we need to add a logic. Maybe we need to redirect it to a not found screen or something. So we add a nice to do. So that in future you can see all your to dos here. And we can always clear out to dos. But we will handle the correct case for now. Chat ID. And let's do this. Okay. So if you want to go, we just do context.go context.go PDF charts, whatever. And we do on the upload PDF page. Once there's a success, we just do context.go and chat and PDF charts. Okay, so this is where the type root is useful. I will make a mistake here now. So for now, to do add to right path. But now we just do A42. Just supposed to be the good path. So it should take us to the chat detail screen when we click on it. So so it's still hot reloading. Why does it take billions of years? So upload. Anyhow. Wait, our web our web is having issue now. It's having an error. I thought we fixed the web. How do we fix the what? We are not using. Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, here we need to say is web, K is web. So we need to tell it if it is web or not. Yeah, that's why. Because we put a check there. And so it works. Yes, it navigated us. You can see in the URL, we have A42, and then we have the little placeholder we did. Awesome. So let me go to Dribble. I want to get some ideas of design I want for that page. Because we don't have a design. So let's just put PDF chat here. Is there nothing on PDF chat? Okay, so that's a nice PDF. Okay. Oh, this looks cool. This person is Steven Jude. Looks Nigerian. Okay, so this is what we want. Oh, this is a cool design. Now we are going to just get an inspiration from it. For now, we will not do these conversations, maybe in future. But for now, we will just have two sides. One will load the doc, and this guy, you can be chatting with it. So cool. It's exciting, and I want to build. So now we have two. So it will be a row and two columns. If you're on Twitter, you're watching, say hi. It's nice to hear from you guys. Looks like a good number of people bookmark my stream. I think they want to watch it later. In case what I'm building blows up, so they will just copy the code. But if you are a Flutter developer, it's good to just follow. Oof. Let's see. I think I love doing streams now than to creating tutorials from scratch. That is the bummer. Because it's spontaneous. You will see through my thought process what I'm thinking, right? I know it can be time wasting. Not a lot of people likes to sit and watch streams, but anyways, I do it. I love it. Okay, so let's go to that page. Thing is, I have been committing. Now and I've not committed once. So let me just let me commit some of the ones I'm doing. I hate all these generated files, so I'm gonna discard them. Okay, so we can even let ChatGPT to write for you. I don't know what it is, but I'm tired. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so what do you want to do? Go here. Chat details screen. Cool. Cool. So we have a row. And we have two columns. We call it PDF view. And then we have the chat view. This is how it's going to look on the web. But what about how it's going to look on a mobile? You will not be able to view the PDF on mobile. You just be able to chat. So it will be the chat view. So we can return a layout builder. So a layout builder will allow you to do responsiveness, right? If it is greater than 600, we want to do chat detail screen. And then we can create a chat detail screen desktop. Chat detail. Oh, I love ChatGPT. Sorry, not sorry. See, it has created this for me. All I need to do is to create a PDF view. And then, so we do PDF view dot, and we create a chat view dot. So PDF view, and then we have a chat view. So we can import them. We can import as well. What is it saying? Mm. Is it because we made them private? I know. Always complaining. Why does it take billions of years to do a hot reload? Okay, let's look at ITIS. Ah, what is this space for? Let's look at the mobile. No routes for location. Mobile wants me to reload everything. Mobile is stingy. Damn it. Hmm. Wait. I only want the PDF view, the chat view for mobile. So I should only return the chat view, not the. Although we might have a column here, then I'll put a little box that tells the PDF that you're talking about. think I have an idea of what I want it to be. Okay, so here we just wrap it in expanded, the child view in expanded, I guess. Then we have this nice layout. And when you shrink, you get the mobile view. Ooh, nice. Why do I have Slack on? You guys have been seeing my Slack. Damn. So how do we approach this guy? There's some really nice toolbar. With the pages and everything. But first, let me look at all the PDF readers out there that can just dump there and then pass in some. Oh, no. I'm not going to use you. You're still early days. Sorry. Syncfusion, this guy is so mature. So but it's always great PDF. I want to. I know what I want. I just want to view, and I'll be able to tell the number of pages and stuff like that. And it should work for the web. Actually, not many for the web. But that's so strange. These guys chose as images. And they can't open from a URL. This is 2 years ago. Okay, so this looks like something that might work. Okay. So let's try this guy. Okay, so we have the PDF view. Only need the PDF view for. So we simply pass PDF viewer. We import that. And then we do dot URI. Should it be from a URL? I think from the server, we are going to return a URI there. Is this a direct link for PDF? Oh, wow. And then absorption failed to fetch. And this is where there are problems. Okay, so what is this error from shared text team? I think it happens on the Android, so I don't know. I briefly saw a red thing on Android, so I'm gonna copy this. I think it happens on shade card. In case I encounter it again, and then probably just send it to the creator of shade. Okay. Do I need to run it again? Let me try. Let me try to run it. I doubt, but it's worth doing that. Failed to fetch. Oof. So it's the same thing. And there is no There are no errors. So this is a demo site using. I have a. Let's go to the demo. No, I need the example. Oh, it has a nice PDF. So let's try. Copy this link. Oh, it works. So that is the problem. That other guy. That's nice. So we have our PDF loaded. How do we? Well, depends on the server. So we'll figure that out. So let's look at the demo. That's next. You can add the controllers later. What does this colors do? Oh, you can highlight. Oh, you can highlight by the color. Oh, what the, the hell? What the hell? Oh, you can even see. I guess we will need a controller. But for now, it sort of works for us. I think later we can always upgrade, update it. Yeah, this works for us. Maybe we add the other guy here. Add the outline or the thumbnail. It'd be nice to have a thumbnail. Okay, awesome. So we've got the PDF working. I think the next thing is to have a chat here. So maybe I'm gonna do it on another stream. I'm kind of a little tired. It's Good Friday, so Friday has to be good. So next time we just add a little chat here. We use our same shading to quickly sort of build something a little nice like this. And once we have the layout, then we can go into and writing the backend proper. And once we write the backend, we just load it here. And then we are done with this first part. Then we do the other ones. Then we start adding some nitty gritty to it, like authentication. People that want to use this not have to be logged in, and a couple of things like that. So Yeah, thank you for joining on this journey. So, and everyone that dropped comments, thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.